Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, boys. How are you all? Welcome to International Jazz and Sciences School. Today, I will start new chapter number 21 in grammar book. The topic is the simple past tense. When do we use the simple past? When do we use the simple past? When action is completed in past tense, for example, he broke his tooth last week. Peter cooked dinner last night. Okay. Number two, when we talk about past habits, for example, Peter played the piano when he was a child. He studied Spanish when he was a student. Number third, when action are completed in series. For example, he sat down, took out a notebook and a pen and started talking notes. He made breakfast, drew his. See this? There is a he sat down, took out, started, made, draw. This is all the series. Okay. When the verbs end in ed, they are called regular verbs, like watch, watched, watch, watched, study, studied. Okay, see this here. Y changes to I. Y changes to I. Close, closed. Okay, some simple past verbs does not end in ed. Some simple past verbs does not end in ed. These verbs are called irregular verbs. For example, write, wrote. No ed. Okay, no ed. Eat, ate. Not eated. We are not say like that. Not eated. Okay, eat, ate. Read, read. Not readed. Okay. The simple past, we use the simple past to indicate exactly when an action or event took place in the past. Like, I visited my sister yesterday. Okay, not today. I visited my sister yesterday. We went out to dinner last night. Okay. Now here are some rules in simple past tense. First, I will tell you about verb to be, means was or were. So when you write simple past tense, start with subject, then was or were. For example, they were friends. They were friends. If you change it in negative, then you will add not after was or were. They were not friends. Now change it in interrogative sentence or question, then start with was or were. That means first we write down was or were, then subject. For example, were they friends? Now come to the main verbs in past. Start with subject, then main verb. That means regular or irregular verbs. For example, she worked yesterday. She worked yesterday. When you change it in negative, write did. When we change in negative, write did. Then not. Okay. First we change. When you change it in negative, write did. Then not. Okay. Did not. Then not. No. Did not. But after writing the main past verb will be changed in present verb. For example, she did not work. We cannot write not worked. Okay, we write down she did not work. Okay, understand? If you will make question, then start with did. Okay, the main subject and first form of verb, not past of verbs. What if you will make question, then start with did. Which word? Did. Okay, then subject and first form of verb, not past form of verb. Okay, like she, start she? No, first we start did. Okay, did she work yesterday? Okay, understand? Did she work yesterday? After the sentence we put the question mark. Okay, understand guys? When you are using was and were in simple past, was is used with singular noun or pronoun, and were is used with plural noun or pronoun. Okay, when you are using was and were in simple past, was is used with singular noun or pronoun, and were is used with plural noun or pronoun. You is a pronoun that is used as plural here. So write you were, not you was. Understand? We will not write you was. Okay, you. So write you were, not you was. Understand? Here are some examples of was and verb. Like I was happy. Okay, this is the simple. This is a simple word. I was happy. He was hungry. Okay, this is a singular. And plural, we were early. You were at school. In negative, I was not sad. He was not thirsty. We were not late. You were not at home. In questions, they were happy. This is the question. Okay, simple word. Okay, but in question, when we change in question, word will come first. Okay, so were they happy? Okay, she was rich. Now was she rich? Okay, was come to first. Okay, they were happy. Were they happy? And here she was rich. Was she rich? Okay, and some words start with wh words. If you want to make the sentence like that, like these words, were, why, when. Okay, so why was he angry? When was she nervous? Where were you? Where were you yesterday? Who were those people? Okay, people. There are some expressions which we use in simple past tense. Yesterday, last night, a month ago, last week, yesterday afternoon, etc. Okay, like example, I played cricket yesterday. I played cricket yesterday. I played cricket yesterday. Okay, the next example, I reached London last night. I reached London last night. Okay, here you can see some examples of regular and irregular verbs, and some verbs that stay the same. You have to learn all these form of verbs. Okay, like here say most verbs add with ed. Play, played. Talk, talked. Share, shared. Visit, visited. Finish, finished. Carry, carried. Okay, and some verbs are irregular. Okay, That means the end of the here we didn't add ed. Okay, so some verbs are irregular. Bring, brought. Tell, told. Teach, taught. Win, won. Do, did. Run, ran. Go, went. Drink, drank. Make, made. Okay, and some verbs stay the same. There is no changes. Hit, hit. Cost, cost. Cut, cut. Quit, quit. Hurt, hurt. Put, put. Okay, see this some examples of simple past. Play, played. Write, wrote. Run, ran. Swim, swam. Jump, jumped. Okay, see these examples also. What did you do? What did you do? Unfortunately, I did not go out yesterday. I did not eat in a restaurant and I did not play cards. Okay, here is using did and yesterday. That is talking about the past tense. Okay, let's see another example. Did you study English? No, I did not study English. Okay, this is a question. There is a negative sentence. Did you study English? No, I did not study English. Okay. Now open your books, page number 73, exercise number 1. Number 1, write the simple past tense forms of the verbs see, saw, take, took, cry, cried, fight, fought, stop, stopped, happen, happened. Okay, you have to write down. Write down in your book. Now come to the exercise number 2. Complete these sentences with the simple past tense forms of the verb in the brackets. And already here give the some words in the bracket. We have to put change into the past tense. Okay, we and underline. There is a blank. Some fruits and vegetables from the market this morning. Buy, bought. We bought some fruits and vegetables from the market this morning. Manisha dash the first prize in the drawing competition last week. Won the first prize in the drawing competition last week. This is a win. Change into won. Okay, Manisha won the first prize in the drawing competition last week. Number 3, Susan. Susan fed the pigeons on the terrace yesterday evening. Here is bracket feed. We change to feed to fed. Susan fed the pigeons on the terrace yesterday evening. I, here is blank, to my friends later last Sunday. The word is reply. We have to change reply to replied. I replied to my friends later last Sunday. So now come to the exercise number 3. Complete these sentences with the past tense forms of the verbs in the box. There is a box here. Here is a box. Okay, we have to choose. We have to put this words in correct. The first one is the children swam in the swimming pool. They ran. They ran about and had a lot of fun. Some of them dived from the diving board. They also played with a ball in the pool. They really enjoyed themselves that day. Okay, so I do this the first one, and second one you will do yourself. Okay, already I wrote it here. Now the exercise number 4. Now open your book, page number 73. 73 already have page number 73 we have completed. Now come to the 74. Okay, exercise number 4 you have to do as homework on page number 74 in your book. Okay, I already marked the numbers 1 2 3 here, but you have to just do this. You look at the pictures and write a story. Use the words in the box. You can use this help take the help from these words and make a story. Okay, write a story. Okay. Okay, boys. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah. Okay, goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.